Good morning, students. Let us continue our second chapter. As I had told you about the story of Mary and Curie, the couples, those who are working, those who are the Mary is a science student, came to study in Paris, and this man is a French man, a scientist, senior scientist. They got married together, and then they were working together, and they found out iridium which could fight against cancer. So they were thinking that we could be the inventors of this, but then she said, no, we should not make use of because it is a science. So now what they do after this, okay? Having decided, Freddie and Mary headed for the woods on their bicycle, okay? They had chosen forever between poverty. They had chosen forever between poverty and fortunes, okay? Now, in the evening, they came back. They came back exhausted, means tired, their arms filled with leaves and field flowers. Okay, now they went with their beloved bicycles in the field, and then they're coming back with the leaves and field flowers. Okay, on 10th December 1903, the Academy Science of now Academy of Science of announced Academy of Science Stockholm announced that the Nobel Prize in Physics for the current year was awarded half to Henry Becquerel, half to Monsieur and Madame Curie for their discoveries in radioactivity. Okay, now their announcement is made. The Nobel Prize meant 70,000 gold francs. France. Okay, there were there were loans to be repaid to Price brothers, Mary's sister, donation to scientific scientists, gift to the student, to a childhood friend of Mary. Mary also installed a modern bathroom in their little house and repeppered. Okay, repeppered means put on new wallpaper. Okay, what is the meaning here? Put on, put up new wallpaper. Okay, a shabby room. A shabby room means not that good looking, but then she makes it good. But it never entered her head to mark the occasion of buying a new hat. Okay, they are living simple life now. Keeping away with the limelight, Mary soon resumed the routine of school and laboratory. Towards 2:30 in on Thursday, on Thursday 19th April 1906, a sultry rainy day, Friday left the university, attempted to cross a road, accidentally stepped into the path of a heavy dray. Okay, now what is the meaning of dray? Sultry. Okay, what is a sultry? Hot and humid. Okay, hot and humid. And a dray, a low flat horse drawn vehicle used in the past for carrying heavy loads. Okay, the lost his life in flash and lost his life in flash. After the funeral, the government officially proposed to award Mary a pension. Okay, now once her husband died, so the government said that she should be paid the pension. Okay, she refused flatly. Now she refused for it. Now why she refused? I am young enough to earn my living and that of my children. Now she telling I am young enough to earn my living and that of my children. She said, displaying her habitual bravery. Now she was very brave enough. She said, I am young enough, I can still work for my children, for me. Now the council of the faculty of science decided to entrust Fry's post of the Sorbonne to Mary. This was the first time that a position in French higher education had been given to a woman. Did you understand? This was first time done that the higher studies position was given to a French woman. Okay, now she's called French woman because she's married to a French man. And then on the day of her first lecture, what she does, she packed and Mary walked in a storm of applause. She inclined her head and waited for the ovation to stop. Okay, now she started straight ahead of her and said, when one considers the progress, now what she says, she is giving the speech, when one considers the progress that has been made in physics in the past 10 years, one is surprised at the advance that has taken place in our ideas concerning electricity and matter. Okay. Marie Curie had resumed the course at the precise sentence. When Marie Curie had left it, tears rose to the eyes and rolled down the faces there. Now, those who were listening, they were crying there. Now, what happened? Now, here you see. Now, the personal flame of Madame Curie mounted and spread like a bursting rocket, and Sweden awarded her Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the year 1911. No other man or woman to be dated has ever received the prize of two different subjects. Okay, she is the first person who has received two Nobel Prizes different subjects. At the end, nobody has received that. At the end of her life, Mary continued her work with passion and dedication. Till she was alive, she continued her work with passion and dedication, with love, full dedication, no half-minded. Half-minded. On Friday, 6th July 1934, the robust heart beat no more. Now, on 6th July 1934, she died. Mary was buried beside Paris in the cemetery now where her husband was buried. She was buried at the side, okay, in the presence of her family. Her family members were there, friends were there, co-workers there, and the students also loved her. So once again, I explained to you, dear student, this is a story about a girl who came with so much interest to study at Paris with to learn some about the science, and she takes her admission there, and she meets a French scientist, genius scientist, and she gets married to that. And getting married to a French man means she has to leave her country, her beloved ones. Then she stays with him, and her husband abandons his own research in order to aid with her. He says, two brains, four hands, and now sort the unknown element in the damp little storeroom that served as a laboratory. Now, this was a workplace where they could work, okay? Now, she was working. Now, she's a woman of great knowledge. She is a woman called Brave, who could she didn't accept any pension after her husband's death, but then she said, I'm young enough to work for me and for my children. And at on 6th July 1934, she dies. Now, after this, I will show you her daughter who has written this chapter. Okay, Eve Curie, 1904 to 2007, was the youngest child of the Nobel Prize winning scientist. Okay, she was the youngest child. Now, you can read about her who has written. This is your homework. Okay, dear students, after this I have a lot of homework for you. Read reference to context. I have given the answers all that back. They all these three questions are there here. In this also three. So you can go through this video again. In four also three questions are there. Now read, reflect 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You will I have given the answers, but but the 10th one you will be doing yourself. Okay, ninth one also you will be doing yourself, this also. Okay, ninth also, till 8th I have given the answers, and this ninth and 10th both you will do your own. Okay, now here are some exercises. Already answers I have written here, but at the end I have given the answers. Okay, now what you have to, polish an adjective related to Poland. Unscramble the word letters to get the adjective related. The words are given jumbled words, but you have to form in correct form. Okay, make sentence of your own of the following words. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know you will be knowing the meaning of these words. So what you have to do, this is your homework. You will be doing in your, this you can do in your pair copy. Okay. After this, one more exercise, quick answers. Read this properly. Okay. Properly. Okay. Then only you will come to know what to do. And you have to write character traits of Mary Curie. Okay. And evidence from the story. You have to write here. Though I have given the answer, you can see here. This answer is here. Quick answer. 1. Shy, humble, intelligent, extraordinary, dedicated, loyal, brilliant. Okay. This is the first word is shy. Shy. humble, intelligent, extraordinary, dedicated, loyal, brilliant. Okay. Intensity, tough, unique, generous. So these are the answers here. You can complete your this. Now reference to context. Okay, you have to answer this. Now this 2A, B till here. Okay. Now third starts here. Third A and B is here and C is here till here. Okay. Then fourth A, B, C. Now read, reflect and write. Questions already I have given. The fifth answer till here and the sixth is here. Answers I have given to you, dear students. So you can write from here. Till here. Then you have got 7. It is continued again till here. Okay. Then you have got 8. Up to 8th, I have given you the answers. 9th and 10th, you will be doing your own. Okay. 9th and 10th, your own. Okay. 10th also I have given, no problem. 10th you are doing here. 9th you will be doing your own. Okay. So dear students, 9th you will be doing your own. 10th is here. Okay. 9th your own. Then word wall, all the scrambled words I have I had given you. This is the answer here. After doing yourself, you can check here. Okay. So dear students, I hope you might have understood the story about Mary and Query, the radiant life, shining life, how they have come up in their life shining today. Their daughter has written about them this. So this is these are the couples here you can see. Okay. So you can go through this chapter again. And whatever in next video I will be giving you the word meaning. Okay. Yes. These are the answers here. Okay. So dear students, please complete this question and answers in your copy. Write down in your copy without wasting the time. And I will be giving you the word meaning in next video. So you will only have the word meaning in your next video. So please complete the work from here. All the answers I have displayed here. So don't waste your time. Okay, dear students. Thank you.